Hi guys, very good morning. It's 7th April 2021 and right now I'm in my village. But today I have to board the train from Patna to go to Noida guys. So today I got up around 6 o'clock in the morning. After that I started checking some comments of my viewers and I replied them too. After that I got fresh and then when it was around 9 o'clock my dad came to me and he asked me to go to the nearby chemist shop to buy some medicines. So whenever I say nearby it means you have to understand it may be 4 to 5 kilometers far from my village. So I sat in my car along with my dad and went to the chemist shop to buy some medicines. And now when I've come back from the market, now I am planning to cook something. Okay, why I have to cook? Actually, see, if you talk about train, the train which I have to board, there is no pantry car. If there is no pantry car, it means you cannot buy any food there. You can only buy chips, kurkure, some chip seller always move in the coaches. So I have to carry some food along with me. So I have decided to go for egg curry and some chapatis. So I will have to make egg curry because my mom is pure vegetarian. So she can't even touch the eggs. So I will have to do that. So let's go. Let's make egg curry. uh, I have experienced making it like when I was in Noida. Once I had tried. First I watched a video on YouTube how to make egg curry, and after that I followed the same procedure, and I mean it turned out to be a good egg curry, I would say. So today I'm just going to try again. It would be second time. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So guys, here you can see the eggs are boiled. Okay, now I have to peel them off. After that the egg curry process will be started, guys. Okay. So guys, finally my egg curry is ready. You can see. Are you able to see? So this is my egg curry. It seems to be so much spicy, but this is how I make, and I have made it. Hi guys, it's around 2:30, and right now I am at my farm. But I think this is the right time to leave for Patna railway station because the train departure time is around 5:30. It takes almost 2 hours to reach Patna. So ड्राइवर को कॉल कर दिया आपने डैड? याद है. ओके, कब तक आएगा?
अभी आ जाएगा 5 मिनट.
ओके, फाइन. Actually, we need a driver because I can drive to Patna, but while returning, who will bring the car back? So my dad can drive, but in this condition, he should not drive, and he's also going to drop me there. So I think a driver is really required. So dad has given a call to a driver who was free. वो मतलब कहीं परमानेंट कहीं जॉब करता है वो ड्राइवर, या
उसके पास अपना ऑटो है.
अच्छा, ऑटो चलाता है.
ऑटो चलाता है.
ओके, फाइन. बट कार भी चलाता है.
कार भी चलाता
कार भी चलाता है. ओके ओके, लेट्स वेट. सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द ड्राइवर. व्हेन ही कम्स we'll start for Patna, guys. Okay, so guys, you can see that driver has come. Let's talk to the driver. तो आपके पास अपना ऑटो है? स्कूल में चलाते हैं
ना, रोडे में चलते हैं.
अच्छा, और उसके बाद अगर कोई बुलाया?
अभी जो है कि एगो के पहुँचा है, फिर शाम को जाएंगे लाने.
अच्छा. अच्छा, और उसके बाद अगर कोई कार वार के लिए बोले तो फिर आप चले जाते हैं? पार्ट टाइम हो गया ये. चलिए ठीक है, निकलिए बॉस. मैं यहाँ पीछे बैठ जाता हूँ डैड, आप आगे बैठ जाइए. आप आगे बैठ जाइए, मैं पीछे बैठ जाता हूँ.
ठीक.
ओके ओके गाइस, लेट्स गो टू पटना एवरीवन. So guys, yesterday I forgot my, okay, खुश रहिए, I left my mobile charger at my sister's home. So before going to Patna, I have come here to take the mobile charger. Fine. अच्छा and नहीं अब वो करिश्मा को बीटरूट देना था ना. चाबी 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 लाई तो भैया, गाड़ी बंद करके चाबी ओपन है. Come on, hey Boxer, how are you, Boxer? Here, the white bag. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, bye Karishma. Bye. Yes. Bye Boxer. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, chalo, thank you. Okay. See you. चलिए. So now guys, it's already more than 3, so I don't want to get late, so let's go to Patna railway station. तो ड्राइवर साहब अब आराम से तेज़ी से बढ़ाइए हाईवे पे. चलिए. ओके. So guys, finally I have reached Patna railway station and getting out of my car. Okay, ticket है? ठीक है भाई. So this is Patna Junction, everyone. Patna Junction. And I can see gate number 2. I don't know which gate I should go through, but maybe gate number 2, because gate number 2 is just in front of me. I think my train will arrive at platform number 3. I'm not sure, but I had checked in an application, but I'm going to platform number 3, and after that I will see on the display whether it is arriving on platform number 3 or not. So you can see I'm here, and this is for platform number 3, and I'm going there, guys. Let's go. Since I'm feeling so much hot here and I'm thirsty as well, so I thought that I should go for something very cold. So I came across this cucumber seller. So he's selling some cucumber. कैसे भैया?
10 रुपये प्लेट.
10 रुपये प्लेट. ओके. मतलब
10 का एक पीस है.
एक पीस छील छाल के काट कूट के रखोगे प्लेट पे.
10. हाँ.
सो 10 रुपीज़ 1 पीस खीरा. ठीक है, एक पीस लगाइए जरा, देखते हैं.
नमक दे दे आपको.
हाँ, नमक डाल दो थोड़ा. पकड़ना बेटा, जरा इसको पकड़ना. हाथ धो ले. उधर दिखा, हाथ धोते हुए दिखा. इधर.
खाइएगा आप.
नींबू. हाँ, डालिए.
मैं उस पर रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, इसलिए हम सोचते हैं कि ठीक है डालें.
So guys, he is giving me full service. He has, squeezed some lemon also on it. Very tasty and very nice service given by this guy. ये लीजिए भैया आपका 10 रुपये.
आप जाइए रख.
अरे नहीं, ये नहीं. ऑन रिकॉर्ड है. ये मेहनत का, ये नहीं. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम वकील महतो.
चलिए. तो बहुत अच्छा इन्होंने सर्विस दिया है. थैंक यू भैया.
वेलकम सर.
So guys, as you saw, अच्छा ये मगध यहीं पर आएगी ना, मगध एक्सप्रेस, पूजा स्पेशल जिसे बोलते हैं. So guys, the thing is that person, the cucumber seller, when he saw the camera and he was not taking money from me, it happens sometimes here, you know, people think that okay, he's from media, so let's not take money from him, but it's not good for me, you know. He has given his product to me, he has done hard work, this is his roji roti, I would say, you know. So well guys, now I have to wait for my train, so I'm going to show you the platform. Look at the platform here. Okay, so many people are looking at me, guys. Okay guys, stay connected. Thank you guys. So guys, finally my train has arrived. You can see the train. So I'm just going to board the train. After that I'll talk to you guys. Guys, my coach is B5. Train has not stopped yet. Okay, B4 is here. Now I have to wait for B5. The train is about to stop, and finally the train has stopped, and I am going to get into B5 coach, guys. B5, where is B5? Yeah, I got that. So this is my coach, and I can show you, this is B5. So this is my coach. So finally I'm going to board the train. You can say get on the train. So here we go. Let's get inside. So finally I boarded the train, guys. Yeah, it seems to be quite neat and clean. And my seat number is 40. This is, can you see here? 4040. It means the upper one, because this is 39. This is, the down one is 39 and the upper one. Okay. I always want lower, you know, lower seat, but whenever I try, I always get upper seat, guys. Anyways, I'm just going to sit here. So you can see, guys. So guys, I could not shoot any video related to either advanced structure or anything related to English, just because I had to board the train, and right now I'm here on the train, and tomorrow I'll reach Noida, guys. So after that I will start making again videos for you. I will try to shoot some newspaper videos as well, and about that novel also, you know, Chetan Bhagat Half Girlfriend novel. People are asking me to shoot that part also. So I will definitely start focusing on my work. So thank you very much everybody. Stay connected and see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you, guys.